Didn't I say anything for a second? 25 days after the earthquake, when the freshness of my workplace was surpassed, a guy came. I noticed he was coming every day with an Audi, a Mercedes. He came with a Toros. I said, brother, what are you doing? How are you? Is there anything going on? He said, Halil, I had 7 apartments, not one is left. I had 3 cars, none are left. They all went in the rubble. I understood this, he said. May God grant health. Possessions are empty.
Exactly.